Okay, I've got to find the coordinates of the stationary points of this curve. So coordinates, I need to work out dy by dx and put that equal to 0. So dy by dx is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, I want to set that equal to 0. So dy by dx equals 0 for stationary points. And so I get 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. It looks like it's going to factorise to me. It's got to be 3x and x. It's got to be 1 and 1. I want plus 2, so I want the 3x that to be plus, that to be minus, equals 0. Just check that works. It appears to work. So something times something is 0. So therefore either, you know by now I always start with either 3x minus 1 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. So that will say that x equals add 1 and then divide by 3. That will be a third, or x equals minus 1. Right, so I've done that, but it said find the coordinates, which means I need to find the y values. And so we need to sub those values into y equals x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 3. And so y will equal x cubed, a third cubed is 1 over 27, plus x squared will be a ninth, but since I've got a 27th, I'm going to actually say a ninth is the same as 3 27ths, because it's going to save me doing some stuff. And then take away x, take away a third, I'm going to say a third is 9 27ths, and finally plus 3 is that. So y will equal 4 minus 5 27ths plus 3. So y will equal 3, take away, that would be 2 and 22 27ths, or y equals minus 1 cubed is minus 1. Let's do it like this, minus 1 cubed plus minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 3, so that equals minus 1, that's be plus 1, that be plus 1, and that be plus 3, so that is 4. So the coordinates are 1/3 and 2 22 27ths. That's one stationary point, and the other one minus 1 4. Done that, and I've got my 6 marks there. Determine each point. Okay, that's going to be d2y by dx squared, d2y dx squared. That is, I'll differentiate this expression here, so that'll give me 6x plus 2, and when x equals a third, d2y by dx squared equals 2 plus 2, which equals 4, which is greater than 0, therefore greater than 0, therefore that's a minimum. And when x equals minus 1, d2y by dx squared equals minus 6 plus 2, which equals minus 4, which is less than 0, therefore that's a max. We've done that, got those 3 marks. And finally, for what values of this does it decrease? As x increases, well, that's when's it got a negative? Well, personally, I'd actually draw a sketch. There's other ways of doing this. So when it's minus 1, we have a maximum, and when it's a third, we have a minimum. So it's going to go, maximum will be somewhere, it's going to go up, it's going to be something like that. So where is it going to be decreasing as x increases? All the way from there all the way to there, because it's going down there. It's decreasing as x increases. And so that will say that minus 1 is less than x, which is less than a third. And strictly, it shouldn't be less than or equal to, because when it equals a thing, we just worked out it's stationary, so it's not decreasing. So it must be strictly like that. And that's 8 done.